Dear colleagues, keeping the current warfare between our brethren country, the Islamic Republic of Iran, and the two butchers of the world, Trump and Netanyahu, in view.
ايش اللي صار يا حاج؟ ايش اللي صار؟
I thought to discuss a brief history of atom bomb as a soft reminder, because most of the students are unaware of that. Well, the scientific and technological development is celebrated as humanity's greatest progress. But the history reminds us that the same knowledge can be produced as devastating consequences. For instance, the development of atom bomb is the most powerful example of how scientific discovery changed the world destiny as of the most destructive weapons ever created. Now, invention of atom bomb, as earlier I said, in 1939, Albert Einstein wrote a letter to the American President Franklin D. Roosevelt that the Germans are making atom bomb which will destroy the entire Europe and America. The president took it very seriously, because Albert Einstein was a Nobel laureate and he was the most genius scientist of the contemporary world. Hence, the president gathered the renowned scientists of the country and assigned a task to make atom bomb before Germans' invention. Well, in 1945, Albert Einstein realized his mistake, that the Germans were not making atom bomb. So Albert Einstein wrote the second letter to the White House, but to stop making atom bomb. But it was too late, and the American scientists invented till then. And on 6th August 1945, this atom bomb was used in Japan's Hiroshima and Nagasaki, as you all are well enlightened about that. And almost 200,000 people were smashed at once. Albert Einstein witnessed this human carnage, I mean mass killing, and repent over his blunder till his death. Repent over means he was worried about that. Now, the proliferation of weaponization. Since then, the entire world entered to the race of nuclear weaponization and its proliferation. Let me make a comparison of the atom bombs now and then. The then atom bomb, which was dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, was just 15 kilotons, and its fireball temperature was 4 million degrees centigrade. I mean 40 lakh. Whilst now, as compared to that, this atom bomb, the Russian Tsar bomber bomb, is 50,000 kilotons, and its fireball temperature is almost 100 million degrees centigrade. It means this bomb is almost 3,000 times bigger, greater, or more powerful. When we imagine, God forbid, if this bomb will be dropped on a thickly populated city or in any urban area, millions of people will evaporate in air in seconds. When I hear this horrifying scenario, or when I imagine it, my goose bump. In order to, overpower the proliferation, acceleration of weaponization, a world treaty, which is called Non-Proliferation Treaty, was signed as an international agreement adopted in 1968 and enforced in 1970s to prevent the spread of nuclear weapons. But the superpower countries turned deaf ears and blind eyes towards NPT. Now, the conclusion. The bone of contention, I mean fasad ki jad, or the ultimate criminal or culprit behind making atom bomb was Albert Einstein. Now, these nuclear weapons or devastating lethal weapons have become bogged in the vice box of these nuclear power countries, and neither they can ingurgitate it nor they can regurgitate it. Thank you.